Ladies and gentlemen, I am pleased to join you all in the launch of the 16 Days of Activism campaign that has as its focus this year, Orange Our World, End the Violence Against Women Now. A world without violence is possible, and this moment demands unparalleled courage and joint action to make this vision a reality. What can we individually and collectively do to enhance awareness of gender-based violence? Stopping this violence starts with believing survivors, adopting comprehensive and inclusive approaches that tackle the root causes, transform harmful social norms, and empower women and girls. With survivor-centered essential services across policing, justice, health, and social sectors, and sufficient financing for the women's rights agenda, we can end gender-based violence. Statistics tells us that nearly 1 in 3 women have been abused in their lifetime. In times of crisis, the numbers rise, as seen during the COVID-19 pandemic and recent humanitarian crises, conflicts, and climate disasters. While pervasive, gender-based violence is not inevitable. It can and must be prevented. Let us continue to strive for a world without violence and help erase this global hidden crisis. We can change the harmful beliefs at the core of this problem. What was learned can be unlearned. It is time for us all to end violence against women and girls. May you have a successful Spotlight Initiative 16 Days of Healing. Orange Samoa, end the violence against women now.